In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get strong acid here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, strong acid is crafted as the processor, but the recipe itself may not appear until, of course, you've collected the required material first. To get this material, what you need to do is start off on the life pod and you need to make your way essentially like northwest of it, around 250 meters away. So go ahead and travel northwest about 250 meters. What you're looking for is going to be these weird flower-like plants in the water. They look very strange looking, so just keep that in mind. If you keep heading in this direction, you're going to see these looking plant things. These essentially are what you need to do. However, as soon as you see them, simply just go ahead and get out of whatever vehicle you might be in. Use your multi-tool or harvesting tool and collect them from the plant itself. Grab a few while you're there because you need, strong acid for multiple crafts later on. But after collecting the material, you just need to head back to your base, open the processor, select the strong acid, and load in that material. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.